Staying in Dothan, Dothan City Commissioners approved funds for an emergency road project. Now, the city has been working on a project on Murphy Mill Road and Highway 231 for some time now. During construction on West Side, they discovered a sewer problem on the east side of the highway. They decided to fix that problem so no further problems present themselves. That project is estimated to cost just over $600,000. The city plans to use the fund balance for those projects.
Having a sewer line that's collapsing or failing, we solved that problem so that we're not going to have the dirt collapse or the area around it, the roadway around it, to collapse.
May says by doing this construction now, it protects citizens and makes that area safer.